Bishop Mudhuri, that when their time comes, they should also go the same way. It's a good challenge. You are not just challenging the archbishops, you are also challenging us and the leaders here. When our time comes and we have done our bit as per the contract we have with the people, we also must be prepared to go and rest and allow other people an opportunity to lead. And nobody knows everything. And you can only lead for a time, according to the Constitution and according to your own conscience. That is why most of us, especially from this region, we continue getting very embarrassed by our leader, whom we respect, whom we supported, by not doing the right thing. We continue to urge him to consider following what the Archbishop has done, following what other leaders did, and take a break and go and rest and allow other people an opportunity. Because it's the right thing to do. We get very embarrassed as a people, as a region, when our leader is subjected to embarrassment and humiliation. We want to dignify that office because it's a high office. So when we see our leader with goons and such other people around him, we feel very bad as a people. And for the people of this region, we want to continue praying for our leader so that God can touch him to apply wisdom and dignify that very high office that he held by doing the right thing. Archbishop Njoroge, we want to thank you for the work you have done for the last 7 years with the other two archbishops to unite the independent church. This church is very important to us, especially the people of this region. Kanitha uyu kanitha twitiagira tondu niguo aruire wiathi, na kanitha uyu kinyitana ugakorwo ndurarua nikio gikeno gitu. Koguo bishop, archbishops, please, hari hatigarite hanini mutucokaniririe kanitha uyu witu, twaragie giki, twaragie kimwe. Na ndakena tondu inyuothe mwi haha, ni muratuonia riu na ithuĩ twi atongoria haha. We are challenged and we are inspired also. O uria muracokaniriria kanitha uyu wa idi, kanitha wa nyumba ino itu, na ni na atongoria aya tucokaniririe ruriri, twaragie giki. Nĩngwenda kwĩra atongoria aitu na ndĩmwĩre nĩtũthiĩte wega, tondũ tũraikarire thĩ na atongoria aya tũraria maũndũ maitũ, tũragĩa na gĩikaro, tũrauga nyũmba ĩno itũ nĩ kũninwo nĩ njohi na bangi. Atongoria aya tũraikara thĩ na tũrauga ona tũgĩthondekaga kahũa, ona tũgĩthondekaga macani na iria na biacara, tũngĩaga kũmenyerera anake aitũ, gũtirĩ mwanake wa gũgathiĩ kahũa-inĩ, gũthiĩ gũtua macani, gũthiĩ kũruta biacara. And we agreed as a region that our first priority as the leadership of this area is to deal with the issue of drug and substance abuse in this region. Na twaririe kimwe, tũgĩcemania kũrĩa Nyeri tũgĩcira, tũkĩiguithania. And I want to thank all these leaders and our governors. This war on illicit brews and bangi is 70% won. We are still remaining with 30%. Kuna watu wanasema ati tutafanya alafu tuchoke.